Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Google Maps not working on iPhone in iOS 16. So if you have this problem that your Google Map isn't working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is make sure that you have working internet connection. So check your network. If you are using cellular data, then you can go to cellular and make sure that Google Map is enabled. So as I'm not using cellular data, as I'm using Wi-Fi, so make sure that your Wi-Fi is working perfect. You can browse YouTube or browser to see if your internet connection is working. So once the YouTube is open, that means internet connection is working. Then you can move to the next step. The next step is to reset the location and privacy. For that, go to setting, click on general, scroll down, click on transform reset, click on reset location, services and history. Then you can enter your passcode, then click on reset setting. So once you have done this, then the next step is make sure that you have updated your Google Map apps. And if there is any update available, make sure that you update your Google Map apps. So if you have done all these steps and it's still not working, then the next step is open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage. Now find the Google Maps app, click on it, click on offload app. So once you have done this, click on reinstall the app. So once the app is reinstalled, your Google Map will be working. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.